Welcome back to the channel. Outdoor kitchen with clean, black, budget friendly style with a big impact and outdoor kitchen make with black is one of the simplest way to upgrading your backyard without build your budget. Climax black and affordable, durable, easy to work with and sophistication, stylish when designed, thoughtful, whether you want a simple glowing or a full functional outdoor cook area black give you a stream fountain to build something rustic and long lasting. When choose build of an outdoor kitchen are popular for outdoor kitchen become then are built to hand water loading and hard. Unlike wood, then do not reboot or attach, and unlike mud, then do not restrict easy. Their weight make the structure imperfect, which is perfect for country top, grill, pizza oven, and story build. Another big is fixability. Your steam build in defined layout without attach construction skill make theme idea for love how want perfect look result at a loss cost. Plan your black outdoor kitchen before start think about how you use the space Do you just need a grill station or do purpose space and a steel? Even a smart backyard can feel compact look kitchen if plan productive. Key thing to plan. Location close to the house for easy access. Space for airflow and make controlling. Access to water and electricity if need. One your layout is close design. The high of convenience, reward of the grill opening and away or convenient well going.